How to fix high ping in Valorant. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix high ping in Valorant. First of all, right-click on Valorant and go into its properties. After opening its properties, click on Compatibility. You can see the compatibility mode in Windows 8. Then, from Settings, take the Run this program as an administrator option and click on Change High DPI Settings, then press OK. Now tap on Change Settings for all users. Then take the Disable Full Screen Optimizations option and press OK. Now you can see the option gets disabled from General Settings. So go back to Change Settings for all users and untick that option. Then take both Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. After taking both options, click on OK. Then click on the Windows icon and tap the power button and restart your PC. This will fix the high ping issue in Valorant. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.